Pretty often drivers ask advice how to estimate parameters of air ride suspensions. They need just maximum legal pressure for drive axle or trailer axle. It is useful, but I will show you more. I will show you not only how to determine equation for dependence pressure from weight in drive axle and trailer axle, but also how to find out optimum position of the trailer tandems by using this information. You will be able to know everything what you need. You will be able to calculate the weight of all axles, and it is much more just than maximum legal pressure. You will not only be protected from overweight, but you will be able to distribute the weight between axles more safely. Not only evenly, but safely according to your desire. You know, sometimes if you drive at winter, you need to put more weight to the drive axle, couple thousand pounds, to avoid jackknife. Or if you need to be more to increase maneuverability in tight states, you prefer to put your trailer tandems closer to the front. But you need to avoid a large disbalance between axles. So it is useful, it is really useful to know the weight of axles, predict the change of shifting the tandems, and know exactly how to determine the weight of drive axle and trailer axle. So, simple life hack, very simple. Look to these axles. You need to understand that under air ride suspension, it's just two axles, 8 tires, and brakes. This common combination for most of trucks, except who have super singles. You know, they are lighter for 400 pounds. So this axles is 8 tires, weight is about 3,500 pounds. And we can use this information like calibration with light axles when pressure in suspension is 0. So look after that for load that will go in top of air ride suspension. If you have heavy axles, heavy freight, then all pressure that created at air ride suspension will be created by load. So to calculate the load, the weight of load, you need to subtract the weight of axles 3,500 from the actual weight of heavy axles and divide it for pressure. It's simple, and you will get value of load that create additional pressure 1 psi. We need it for equation that you can use in your smartphone to calculate the axle weight for drive axle. It's easy. You make one calibration weighting and input information about pressure and weight to mouse scale website, and it can calculate you all parameters, and in future you will be able to estimate the weight of axles knowing the pressure readings. Same for trailer axle. But under suspension there is lighter weight. Axles in trailer axle are lighter. They are 2,400 pounds. I give you these results because I do all formulas with high accuracy of pressure readings. We did it with suspension pressure gauge with accuracy 0.1 psi. So we build linear dependence weight pressure from weight for drive axle and trailer axle, and we know the weight that respond to the pressure zero. It is common property for all for most of the trucks and trailers, except super singles. They have weight for 400 pounds lighter, and you can adjust it in our website. So after this, after you perform this calibration weighting with heavy axle, you can also in future, if you will get a chance to get calibration weighting with without load, with empty trailer. It will help you to build even more accurate conclusions about the weight. But it will help you to avoid deviation of your suspension pressure gauges. It will make more accurate formulas. I also would like to tell you about finding the optimum position of the trailer tandems. After you get calibration weighting with heavy axles, you can also measure by measuring tape. You can measure distance between holes for moving trailer tandems. So in future, if you will update pressure readings for drive axle and trailer axle, the mouse scale will give you the weight of axles and tell you move your trailer axle for 4 holes forward to equalize the weight. But if you would like to add more weight to drive axle or trailer axle, you'll be able to press arrow a couple times and see what weight distribution will be the best for you. So I want you to know that weight distribution, it is more important than axle weight. If you go to certified scale, you get axle weight. Probably after that you know what to expect from shifting the axles, and you trust yourself, your knowledge, your experience. So you don't need to reweight again after moving of the axles. And mouse scale just help you to make these conclusions. It is same driver's knowledge, just more accurate formulas and more comfortable to use. So it's all yours. You have free access to website, and you have your truck, you have your suspension gauge, and you can know the weight of axles, the best weight distribution, and what else do you need? For sliding of the trailer tandems, that's it, you're done. You will not need nothing more, just maybe more comfortable system in future with computer and wireless sensors that you will see all the weight sitting on the your driver's seat behind the steering wheel. We deserve quality equipment, and for right now with suspension pressure gauges is temporary solution to avoid pressure from weight scale companies that taking all money. I want you to make money and don't give your time and energy and work for scale company who determine just the weight of axles. You can get more useful information. The rules of this game is pretty simple. Who determinate the weight of axles, that person take money from carriers for weight control. So look how simple it is to check the axle weight. I input drive axle suspension pressure 62 psi. It provides me the weight of axles, and the weight of the pressure at trailer axle 80 psi. It gives axle weight. But look on this picture where trucks located. It's give suggestion to move trailer axle 2 holes backwards to equalize the weight of axles. And lower you can see what will be the weight of drive axle and trailer axle and what pressure expect in suspensions. So everything simple, but I would like to point your attention to blue and green arrows. If you press green arrow twice, it will show you what weight distribution you can expect if you would like to put more weight to drive axle to avoid jackknife. Or next step, I place trailer axle closer to the front on the next picture, so truck will be more maneuverability, have more maneuverability. So you can use these arrows to predict your weight distribution. It is very simple. You understand this mathematics. It just helps you to make calculations. And it's very comfortable to use. If you need to help to adjust your axle weight trailer tandems, use a metal stopper, and mouse scale will provide you numbers, and metal stopper will help you to put trailer tandems right to the correct position from the first movement. Okay, have fun.